Hey everybody, welcome to Trending Now List. Today, we're going to go over the top 5 bicycle inventions you must have. Make sure to watch until number 1, because it's one of the most amazing and trending technologies I've ever seen. Number 5. Urban GC1. All healthy and eco-friendly lifestyle and sport lovers should love this idea. Urban GC1 has got a remarkable design. At first glance, the bike looks more like a fantasy, but it really exists. Dedicated for city use, the new Urban GC1 is available in black, white, blue, pink, green, orange, brown, violet and red. The bicycle is made of recycled materials and a recycled paper panel craft, developed by Green Code, SGC. They reduce the plastic waste by using bottles, nickel, rubber and reusable steel. Urban GC1 is safe since its frame is resistant steel. Don't worry if your bike gets wet, either, as the paint is made of recycled polystyrene that prevents moisture from passing through to the paper. Number 4. Tempus CRT1. It is obvious that bicycle is booming as it was in the past. Although, bikes are considered as elder people transportation, but we have to face it, e-bikes will be the future, and if you've ever ridden one, you'll see that it's quite relaxing, and it's not just a bike. This bike seems to be lovely. This bike, fast, pretty, and it is built with premium quality parts. What differs Tempus from the other bikes is the design. The functionality of an electric bike combined with the design of a vintage motorbike adds to a fun and stylish new way to commute and explore. The bike is equipped with a 1000-watt brushless DC rear hub motor, making it to a top speed of 50 km per hour. Tempus CRT1 is equipped with a 48-volt 17Ah battery, giving you a range of 50 km of riding. It has a lifespan of over 600 cycles, 30,000 kilometers, and also includes a 5-volt USB port for charging any device on the go. The bike also features front and rear LEDs, an aircraft-grade steel frame, and dual crown front suspension. Number 3. Turnvectron. We might not agree with the best bike categories that are available around the world. Different person, different style. Whether it's a cargo or commuter bike, each of it has different functions with one purpose: getting us into a destination quicker and easier. I strongly advise you not to buy a folding electric bike without watching this video. It is one of the best folding electric bike in market. Turn really pays attention to detail, making 2 electric bike models, and spends a lot of time sweating the details on each one, so it's important to have a good understanding of what each does and what market it is aimed at. It's not cheap, $3,400, but it's a useful bike. The Turnvectron is a 20-wheel folding e-bike, powered by a Bosch active system. Number 2. Stateful P7. Those countless hours of your life spent sitting in a car, bus, train or tram simply just to get to work can now free themselves from that daily grind. Commuting can now become part of your daily fitness routine and give you more time to do the things you enjoy. The Stealth P7 should destroy any boredom on your daily commute. It's fast, efficient, yet gets the heart pumping and turns the commutes into an adventure. Free yourself from the daily grind of traffic jams and commutes on tubes and tear up the ride on your P7. It gives you a 9-speed gear drain, and has a gear range low enough to climb steep hills or maintain pedal assistance at higher speeds. A concentric, roller-bearing swing arm pivot does its best to minimize pedal bob, and reduces the number of moving wearing suspension parts, which aids to the bike needing less servicing. And finally, our number 1 list. Cyclotron. Cyclotron believes a bike is a utility enabling people to pursue their goals. Whether it is for getting groceries or simply having fun riding it, the company are currently checking on more than 15 patents that they plan to file for. The bike features 2 spokeless wheels, making it as the world's first commercially available bike using this technology. All lights of the Cyclotron bike are triggered by the automatic light sensor that switches them on/off according to the current daylight situation. This tremendously enhances visibility when riding in traffic or on roads with no public street lighting. The self-charging Li-ion battery pack powers the lights for more than 8 hours without engaging the internal dynamo. The Cyclo app gives notifications when battery is low, so it can always be recharged. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of technologies, inventions, and much more. Check out this playlist of my top 5 and top 10 videos of technologies and inventions, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.